Hi guys! We had some fun with previous 3 lessons, but this one will be serious, without any joke in it. I just want to get the general idea about what Ukrainian is. Some tips for a beginner before you go deeper into the grammar and the vocabulary. There are only a few aspects to cope within this lesson. First, in Ukrainian you need flexes to connect words. The same with any analytic Slavic language as Russian or Polish, Bulgarian and so forth. In English you have a case of the third person singular. I have, she has. You need to change the last part of a word to make a syntactically correct sentence. Why do I start with such a simple and I believe well-known fact? In my opinion, this stage of droning into the grammar may be skipped before you learn at least 500 words. Before that, conjugation is just useless. People will understand what you are talking about if you just translate every word literally. Just look. I want to go to Kyiv. Я хотіти поїхати до Київ. The right form is Я хочу поїхати до Києва. So we change 2 words here. But everyone will understand. Thus, why to lose your time on learning the stuff that isn't that important? Spend your time on learning vocabulary. The second point. Russian, Polish and Ukrainians are different, but if you speak some Slavic languages, this may help a lot. If you forget a proper Ukrainian word, just introduce yours into the speech. That a total bullshit that you shouldn't mix languages. Hey, in Ukraine people speak a mixed one called Surzhyk and they can survive. Most of them don't even feel embarrassed because of their strange non-Ukrainian language. And if you speak some kind of Roman language, you can dare to try the same. There are lots of words that are common for modern languages. Toilet, toilet, trolleybus, trolleybus. Metro, metro. Taxi, taxi. Boulevard, boulevard. Monument, monument. For instance, you want to find a subway station. Excuse me, where can I find a subway station? To translate this properly would be Перепрошую, де я міг би знайти станцію метро? Let's try our new way of learning languages, like literary translation. Перепрошую, де могти я знайти метро станцію? It may sound lame for a native speaker, but everyone will understand. The third point is how to learn the vocabulary. Start with verbs, learning infinitives. This part of speech is basic in any language. Then learn pronouns. Я, ти, він, вона, воно. Ми, ви, вони. And a few tips to remember. In Ukrainian there is no strict word order, but there are some rules. You don't need to introduce a subject every time to speak. For instance, it's 5 o'clock. You reduce just to 5 o'clock. 5 година, 5 годин. Both variants are possible. You can avoid pronouns, but I recommend you to use them to be understandable. As in English, adjectives go before a noun. Adverbs may come after or before verbs. Well done or done well. To sum up, learn the vocabulary first. Grammar is not that important. Second, speak languages to speak right from the very beginning. Third, start your learning with verbs. I hope this lesson will help, and I'm waiting for you with my second serious lesson.